Alright guys, I'm down here, me and a little dirt biker on a road trip down here near the big river, and come across this guy has a bunch of engines and stuff, old antique stuff, and he just wants to get rid of it. He wants to go to a good home. So I'm going to give him an offer and see if he takes it. And like this one here, he says this runs, and this is an N with the reduction gear and stuff. So I'll take it and try and sell it. And we got the coupe back here. He's got a pretty cool place back here. I'm going to take it back here. His little dirt bike. And here's Kurt.
Hey, how you doing?
You say you had some, what were they, marine engines in there?
Yeah, you want to take a look at them?
Yeah, come on.
Sure.
Yeah, this place is cool. Old Craftsman. I got a 1982 Craftsman.
Yeah,
you know?
I got a frame in there. Maybe I should show you that. I got an air compressor too.
Oh wow, look at all these.
Yeah.
What's this big thing down here?
That's a 460 SVO motor.
Oh yeah?
For my boat. That's my spare one. I got another one in the boat. Yeah.
We'll load that up, put that in the truck, put in the coupe.
Yeah.
And he's got a bunch of antique outboard motors here too. Under here he's got it's like an old Mercury. Old Mercury's, look at them.
Old Mercs, yeah.
Huh. Wow, look at the dual ignition on that one, buddy.
Yeah, I
cool.
put 40 horse pistons in that and did that, and that really made it come alive with instead of the mags, the old mags, you know how they are, they're temperamental.
Yeah.
You know? But, you know.
It's pretty cool. Look at that one back here with a chrome shield on it.
That 5-cylinder, that one?
Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
This one's a 6-cylinder.
Oh.
This is my Frankenstein
Oh, I see
project.
it.
Oh yeah, it's hidden. Hidden.
Yeah.
Okay, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Now let's go see what your antique engine. Let's see what you got. Oh, look, you even got more on here on the shelves. That's pretty cool. All right,
Yeah.
let's move on.
Mm-hmm.
All right, here we go. They're supposed to be in this garage here. Nice garage. Look, it almost looks like an old train station.
Yeah, that's what my brother-in-law told me. Yeah.
Yeah. Let me see. I put a light on here. Oh, here you go. You got a light.
A little cold. Yeah.
Look at it. Here's an old real type mower. Looks like a 5S on there. Is that a 5S, buddy?
I think so.
Yeah. All right, get the rest of them over here. Oh, wow. A couple parts engines. It's like a 5S, 6S,
Yeah, I think that's a 6.
6. This here's old 3-horse or something, and another 3-horse. And we'll call that a 5S with a recoil. That's pretty rare.
That's rare, yeah.
Actually, that's they probably made that with a recoil maybe 1 year.
Oh, really?
Yeah, just before they stopped. And this here's a vertical. That's cool.
Let me get away. I'm going to climb up there and drag that generator over. You anybody need the lawnmower?
What kind? Push mower?
Yeah.
No, that's a nice deck. I know somebody needs a deck.
Yeah. Well, you can take it if you want. The deck is magnesium. Like I got a lawnmower and it just sits in here, and I got rid of all that stupid safety crap. You know?
Right.
And then I got a toggle switch on it to turn it on. You know.
That's an odd looking engine, square.
But, yeah, it's a Toro.
I never got into Toros.
No, I don't know what Toros, but hey, see this here? This is my lawn boy that I got converted. I got the Briggs on it right now. But I had problems with this, like it had a weak spark, and I actually got a Briggs coil and then grinded the thing down to get it to fit, and it works good now.
That's cool. That's what we like about these old engines. You know, you can make them work.
Yeah.
If you have something to work with. Huh. Got a generator back there too. I think I'll pick that up. Yeah, that don't too bad. All right. Yeah, I'll take all this stuff.
Okay.
I can find a home for it if I don't use it.
Yeah, somewhat, better than scrapyard.
And it'll give you more room.
Yeah.
All right, let's load it up, buddy.
All right.
All right. What the hell's this thing? An airplane up here? What is that?
Okay. It's a Silva.
The Silva.
The Silva race boat.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
It's a wood boat.
Huh. I bet you it's something.
That motor that I was showing you, that silver one, that's what would go on this.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, like I did some work on it. I had delaminated plywood. And I took all the layers of plywood where it's bad and just used a mat and thickened it up back to 1/4 inch. And obviously, like I put an epoxy coating on it, so that it had the numbers and who it was and all that on it. I wish I kind of remember what that was, but
yeah, I bet you some of my subscribers probably know what that is.
Mm-hmm.
That's pretty cool. All right, let's keep it moving. All right, we're all loaded up here, and it's a good. We're leaning in the back here, so it's a good bit of weight there. So we got a whole bunch of good stuff here. Parts if nothing else. So, all right, you ready to go, buddy?
I think so.
Wish you don't get your draws caught on that. All right, Kurt.
All right.
Thanks a lot. I appreciate it.
No problem.
Kurt gave me a good deal.
I hope it all finds a home.
Definitely.
I'm looking forward to seeing your videos.
All right. What do you say, buddy?
Enough of this.
Enough of this. Kurt, enough of this. There we go. We got everybody doing it. All righty. See you guys later.